Hi unique family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always watching. On today's video, we are going to be making this delicious dirty rice. Welcome back guys. I'll be mixing my meat with this food processor, or you can get the already made one from the store, but I'll be doing mine by myself. So I'll slice all my veggies. I'm done slicing. Here are all the ingredients I'll be using for this dirty rice. I have my minced meat, sliced tomato, onions, garlic and ginger paste, scotch bonnet, green bell pepper and red bell pepper. So here are all the ingredients I'll be using. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, I'm done making the sauce. You can see how colorful it is. So the next thing is for me to boil my rice. If you have meat stock, you don't have to go through this process. Just use your meat stock to boil your rice. This is water, curry powder, thyme, and I'll be adding Maggi seasoning to it. So I'll use this to boil my rice. I'll be pouring in my well parboiled rice inside. Put it together and cover it to cook. The next thing now is to combine everything together, the sauce and the well cooked rice. Guys, don't mind the name of this rice. This rice is so delicious. Please let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying it out, because this rice is so sweet. You are going to love it. But you see the color. This is why it is called dirty rice, because it comes out in a brownish color. That is why it's called dirty rice. But this rice is delicious. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. See you all in my next one. Bye.